Welcome. If you want to adjust notification panel shortcuts in Samsung Galaxy A10, at first you have to open notification bar, notification panel, then slide on the right side, and in some cases you will find here the edit icon, so you have to tap on it, but in my case I have to tap on the three dots in the right upper corner and then click to button order. Next, if you want to change position of any icon, for example from dark mode, you have to click, hold, then drag it to the edge. When the list will be on the first one, we can put it, for example, between the sound and the Bluetooth, so let's make it like that and then release. You can also remove icons. Click, hold, and then drag it right here. To save, click done, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.